Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to do a summer clean and decorate with me. I will admit that I don't normally curl my hair to clean house, but I have an appointment later, so I went ahead and I got ready, and I was laughing because I was like, I normally clean in my pajamas with my hair all messy. It's just typically how I normally really like to clean, but don't let the hair fool you. So anyway, later on in the video, Jason is gonna come in and he is gonna cook a couple really simple, fun things for summer that I think you guys will enjoy. But hopefully this video gives you some inspiration to get your house cleaned up, to maybe get a few things decorated for summer. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Okay, I got so much to do, so let's just get started. Okay, first up, I have a very large amount of dishes to do. I had cleaned out the inside of the refrigerator, and so that was adding to my extra dish pile. Hi, Jason. And my dishwasher was already pretty much full, so I'm going to end up having to do dishes by hand, which is fine because I usually have to do my big items like that anyway, but this is why I have so many dishes to do, not to mention the fact that I was lazy and didn't want to do them. Because if you follow along with me over on Instagram, you know how much I hate to do dishes. Dang it! I just dropped a bowl and busted. I honestly cannot believe that I did not get cut during this whole thing, cleaning it up and everything. Not one cut. I always normally do, but thank goodness I didn't this time. Sitting here on my island is some yummy meat that Jason got out of the freezer. We have a chicken, we have ribs, we have pork, a roast, and he is going to smoke all of this, and we are taking it with us to Florida. So I'm just going to move it over here to the sink so I can clear off this island to get it cleaned up. I am planning to stick with my theme that I have going here in the kitchen. If you watch the mantle makeover, I'm doing like whites with woods and greenery, and I felt like this little centerpiece went perfect and was the perfect size for this table. Can we just talk about this tray right here for a moment? Jason is obsessed with it and he calls it his TV tray. It is way too big for a TV tray. But you know what? He can sit there, he can eat, he can have his laptop. I'm letting him have it, but oh my goodness, it's just cracking me up at how big it is. I actually think it's like a workbench. But here we're gonna move into decorating the coffee table, and I'm just trying to do some of my favorite things and incorporate them in. I absolutely love Pride and Prejudice and Wuthering Heights, and so I decided, you know what, I love them so much, I'm gonna add them to my decor. And the color of the books look really nice with just everything that's going on around between the carpet and the different accessories, and so I thought they were the perfect addition to my centerpiece. This chandelier is always so difficult to clean. It's really hard to reach, and so normally I do it with a Swiffer. Look at it still swinging in the background. I swear it was swinging for like 30 minutes after I got done. Okay, I decided to pause cleaning inside and come out here really quick and just switch my porch from spring to summer. I want to decorate it for the 4th of July. A lot of things I'm going to keep the same, like my ferns are beautiful. They are still going strong. If you watched my spring porch makeover, they're still doing awesome. I'm just going to do a quick little makeover of the front porch really quick, and then we'll go back and finish inside. I have had these core pillows for so long. They are looking pretty rough. I mean, they're already supposed to be kind of that natural look anyway, but they look like they're about to shred apart any moment now. But you know what? One more summer. I really like to keep my summer porch nice and simple before I pull out the big guns for fall. These flowers are so amazing. A balloon artist made these for me years ago, and they are still going. They are just lasting, and they look so awesome.
Falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter. I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me. No matter how far it goes, down deep and under.
Okay, today I'm gonna make for you the easiest but so delicious summer drink of cherry limeade. I got this cute little container from Hobby Lobby. We're just gonna mix it up right in here. And so basically you take a can of frozen limeade, we're gonna put that in there. Sprite. You should have seen what my Sprite just did.
Blow up everywhere?
Yes! Jason's getting ready to cook for us. He is gonna make the most yummy hamburgers. They're so easy, but they're super delicious. Isn't that what I'm supposed to be doing to you?
Usually.
And then last, I want you to add a whole jar of maraschino cherries with the syrup that it's in. Give this a stir. Now if you were gonna serve this like directly to people, you could go ahead and you could put the ice in here. But I know Jason and I are not gonna drink all of this, so I don't wanna put a bunch of ice in there and then it just get watered down. So I'm gonna put our ice in our glasses. Do you have any limes?
I think so.
Clean up my Sprite mix. Well, that makes me sad. Okay, so if you really wanna step it up a notch, I'm apparently out of limes. You can cut up a whole lime in slices and put it in there, or if you didn't want to put it directly in there, you could put it on the side of your glass when you pour it.
Okay everybody, let's get busy and make these burgers. Cast iron skillet, medium hot, not raging hot, but medium hot, melt some butter, and then we gotta toast up the buns. The reason I'm toasting the buns first is because, as you may or may not know, I'll forget. And a toasted bun that is forgotten about is a torched bun. So butter up that skillet and toast your buns until they are perfectly golden brown. Ooh. All right, let's get our accoutrement ready to go. So let's take a shallot. We're gonna peel it up, slice it up, and get it ready to toss in the cast iron skillet and get those shallots caramelized to go on the top of our burger. So here we go, into the cast iron skillet. Let those brown up a little bit, add a little more butter to add a little more flavor. Butter's fat, fat is flavor, and you gotta trust the fat kid here. That's what you want in your life. Okay, while those shallots are caramelizing in the pan, we're going to take 1 pound of delicious Wagyu hamburger, cut it into quarter pounders, and we're going to put it between some wax paper and press it out into a very thin smashed burger. This is going to help it cook evenly and a lot of surface area to get a lot of crust. I'm going to season up one side of that with the top side with salt and pepper, and then drop it into the cast iron skillet. and let it cook for about 2 minutes on the first side, maybe 3, until the crust is good and formed. And once I drop it in the pan, I'm going to go ahead and throw salt and pepper on the other side, the top side, so that it is perfectly seasoned and ready to flip and cook. The last piece that I want on my burger is a little bit of foie gras. I am thoroughly plagiarizing this from a restaurant in Philadelphia that I used to go to called the Village Whiskey, and they had the Village King burger, and it is delicious. So anyway, flip those burgers over. Got a great crust going on the front side, and American cheese. Yeah, I know what you're thinking, but it's the best melting burger cheese that I know of. So, got some foie gras in the pan that is mixed with some black truffle, which is deliciously decadent. And the burgers, now I'm ready for some gherkins. Slice those up to get those ready, and now we're topping up those burgers with the melted cheese. You can see I flipped over the foie gras. About ready to top that up. It's going to crack when I put it on there because that stuff's very delicate. But the sauteed shallots, and then I will top it with some those sliced pickles, and this baby is done. That's alright.
Is it delicious? We have to do our use. We have to cheers. Oh, that's good.
Merca.